Hello everyone. Are you new to using blending options in Photoshop? Do you feel that not using blending options is resulting in a flat outcome of a design? It's not looking really good. There is no depth in it. Well, don't worry. Nothing is difficult when you know the true nature of that tool and how and in what manner it is affecting your design. Okay, so let's imagine that you're working on a picture, you're painting it, and suddenly you discover a new set of brushes and color. Well, that's what blending options are for your designs. It's like adding the layers of paints on the canvas and making it more stand out with depth and edge. Even you can add, special effects like bold overlays or bright shapes. It's like having a magical paint set that turns your artwork into excellent masterpiece. For more information on this topic, please read the captions and follow me for more such videos.